5-1 the lead. One more needed to reach the final and take on Judd Trump on Sunday.
Nine. Ronnie O'Sullivan, 14.
I mean, I can't explain how difficult it is.
Thank you, that'll do.
Tonight, as I say, he's been just put under the ultimate test as a snooker player. Every facet of his game has been put under the microscope. I'd be a brave person to suggest that this wouldn't be the beginning of the end of this match right here. It's just beautiful to watch. Genius is what it is.
11.
Remember, only two players have beaten him all season. Zhang Anda twice and Liu Haishan. Can Judd Trump add his name to that list? We know he's capable, but if he's watching this, and I suspect he will be, he knows he's going to have to
19.
produce his best tomorrow. It promises to be a fabulous occasion.
20.
Well, just a game that he didn't really want to play, but he's going to need that form that he showed in the first three frames to compete. If Ronnie maintains this standard,
25.
I mean, if Ronnie maintains this standard, he wins. There's no doubt about it, because you can't compete with this.
26. $33. 42.
2 more pots needed.
50.
Well, what are you supposed to do in the face of this? This match has lasted 70 minutes.
58.
The truth is, a snooker table is just a snooker table until Ronnie O'Sullivan walks towards it. And then it becomes a canvas for his unique artistry. And what
65.
a picture he's painted this evening. Simply sensational.
66.
Yeah, I say even Ronnie can't play like this
73.
every day, every match. This has just been a special performance.
74.
Where everything is just sort of slotted into place. He obviously just feels very comfortable playing Ding Junhui, which is unfortunate for Ding.
81. 82.
For O'Sullivan, it will be a 63rd ranking final. Yeah, it's not quite the century yet. It's 103 points, but the breaks are 89.
89.
But you can't blame people for getting excited. My word, if you didn't get excited about this, you're watching the wrong sport.
90. Thank you. $97.
So the green
99.
to finish with a 4th century and complete Just a wonderful, wonderful performance.
106. $111.
It's getting better and better. Right at the death. What an extraordinary performance that was from the great Ronnie O'Sullivan. He concludes victory with a 4th century.